Welcome to the last video you'll ever need to watch on the top 5 AI tools. Okay, well, maybe not the last, but definitely the most comprehensive one out there. Don't believe me? Keep watching. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that aren't just hype, they're a complete paradigm shift. You know those moments when you feel like you're drowning in tasks, losing precious time? And let's face it, staring at a blank canvas or Word document can feel like pulling teeth sometimes. Well, imagine if there was a way to bypass all the frustration and get straight to the good stuff: creating, innovating, and making an impact. What if you could do all this while working smarter, not harder? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into 5 incredible AI tools that will change the way you work forever. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, freelancer, student, or just someone who wants to stay ahead of the curve, these tools are your golden ticket to unlocking new levels of productivity. Let's dive in. Before we delve into the first tool, allow me to introduce myself. I'm your host and guide in this AI adventure. My mission is to demystify the world of AI and show you how to leverage its power to achieve extraordinary results. I'm a professional services consultant by trade, which means I've had to learn how to communicate complex topics in an easy-to-understand manner. Think of me as your friendly neighborhood AI translator. I'll break down the technical jargon so you can focus on what really matters. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Alright, let's dive right into our first tool. No one is your ultimate AI writer, ChatGPT or Jasper. These tools can write blog posts, emails, product descriptions, and even YouTube scripts, like the one you're hearing now. They're your secret weapons for crafting compelling content in no time. Whether you're a content creator looking to pump out consistent high-quality content, or a business owner needing persuasive copy to boost sales, these AI companions have you covered. Let's take a look at some quick examples. I asked ChatGPT to write a cold email for a new product launch. It gave me 3 polished versions in under 30 seconds. Now let's compare it to Jasper. I fed it the same prompt and received similar results. However, Jasper added a layer of brand voice and templates perfect for teams. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your brand's style guide by heart. Plus, both tools offer advanced features. You can use them to summarize articles, generate outlines, and even translate content. The key to wielding this power effectively lies in learning how to prompt them, something we'll cover in future videos. For now, just know that ChatGPT and Jasper are your writing co-pilots. They're fast, flexible, and surprisingly creative. Now let's shift gears and explore our second tool. Number 2 is 11 Labs, the hyper-realistic voice generator. If you've ever wished you could have a voiceover specialist on speed dial, then 11 Labs is your answer. Simply input your text and choose from a range of lifelike voices to bring your words to life. Whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, educator, or anyone who wants to automate voiceovers, this tool is your production partner. Here's a quick demo. In just a matter of seconds, I turned a written script into a realistic voiceover. What's even more impressive is the ability to clone your own voice. Think about it. Consistency is key for creators in cloning. Your voice ensures that your audience always hears a familiar tone. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even experiment with different voices and accents. It's like having a whole cast of characters at your fingertips. But it's not just about convenience. It's also about quality. 11 Labs boasts studio-grade audio and a library of over 1,000 voices to choose from. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. Need to add voiceover to podcasts, audiobooks, or video ads? No problem. Want to make personalized audio messages or greetings? Consider it done. And if you're concerned about authenticity, rest assured, 11 Labs uses advanced AI technology that mimics the nuances of natural speech. It's so precise it can even replicate vocal inflections and emotions. So whether you're narrating a bedtime story or delivering a motivational speech, your message will come across as sincere and engaging. Now let's turn our attention to tool number 3, Midjourney, your instant image creator. Imagine having an artist on call ready to whip up any visual masterpiece you can dream up. Well, with Midjourney, that dream becomes a reality. Just type in your prompt and watch as this AI-powered tool transforms your words into stunning images. Whether you're a designer, marketer, storyteller, or simply someone who appreciates beautiful visuals, Midjourney is your go-to companion. Take a look at this. After I typed in futuristic AI workspace and neon lighting, Midjourney served up this vibrant and captivating image. The possibilities are truly endless. Want eye-catching thumbnails for your videos? Need captivating visuals for social media? Midjourney can handle it all, and with a little practice, you can master the art of crafting prompts to get the exact results you desire. And now let's explore tool number 4, Canva. But not just the Canva, you know. Canva has leveled up with AI features like Magic, resize text to image, and auto layout suggestions. It's now a full-blown design assistant. Just think about it. You can create stunning graphics, videos, and presentations with ease. Let me show you a quick example. Want to share a motivational quote on social media? With Canva's AI tools, you can turn that quote into a scroll-stopping Instagram post in seconds. It's like having a graphic designer on hand 24/7. And the best part? Super user-friendly. Even if you're not a design guru, Canva's AI features guide you every step of the way. Whether you're designing social posts, marketing materials, or presentations, Canva's AI tools help you stay consistent with your brand and save precious time. Finally, let's discuss tool number 5, Perplexity, your smartest research assistant. Ever felt like you were drowning in a sea of information? With Perplexity, you've got a lighthouse to guide you. It's like ChatGPT, but with the added twist of citations. Ask it anything, and it scours the internet for the latest and most accurate answers. Whether you're a student, analyst, writer, or anyone who needs trustworthy info fast, Perplexity is your go-to companion. For instance, let's say you want to research AI trends in education. Instead of wading through countless articles, Perplexity gives you a concise summary with links to sources. No more information overload. And because it cites its sources, you can double-check everything before diving in. Perplexity is your trusted research buddy, ensuring you always have the most up-to-date insights at your fingertips. Now that we've explored these incredible tools, it's time to take things to the next level. Remember, the true power of AI doesn't lie in using one tool, but in how you connect them. Think of it like building a digital assembly line where each tool plays a crucial role. Let's imagine this workflow. Start with ChatGPT or Jasper to craft your script. Use 11 APIs to generate a realistic voiceover. Design your visuals with Canva and Midjourney, and back it all up with Perplexity. That's your AI-powered workflow. You're not just saving time, you're multiplying your output. Now that's what I call smart working. So there you have it, the top 5 AI tools that are reshaping the game. From writing to voiceovers, design and research, these tools have you covered. And the best part, they're not just useful, they're incredibly easy to use. Even if you're not a tech wizard, you'll find yourself navigating these tools with ease. Now remember, the true magic happens when you combine these tools. You can create a seamless workflow that boosts your productivity and brings your ideas to life faster than ever before. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our